You have a degree. You've got masters. Go and check the qualifications of your white boss. He has got no single qualification. Yet that Afrikaner, that time you've got a degree. That Afrikaner just walks like he's owning the earth. This world belongs to him. When you check, why is he being arrogant like this? He's a farmer. When they say he's a farmer, they mean he owns the land. That's what land does. Whites undermine us because we don't have the land. But you are working for them, you are worshiping them, even when they've got nothing better than you, mentally and intellectually. Why? It's property. We walk with our shoulders down, sometimes with our hands at the back, and we walk in an apologetic manner. Why? We don't have property. We're scared, and we know we're not respected because we don't have property. So when we fight for the land, you must know we're fighting for the restoration of the dignity of African people.